Hey guys, Ryan from Buster Props here. I've seen a lot of pictures out there of people that have bought rubber cowls and they've kind of turned gray or discolored over time. So I wanted to let you know there is a way to restore the shine of an old cowl. This one isn't that old, but it's the oldest I have in my stock here. So I thought I'd show you. First thing you'll need is this stuff. Poor Boy's leather stuff. It's also for vinyl and rubber. And a microfiber towel, and you're just going to want to rub that whole cowl down with this stuff. I didn't do the whole cowl, as you can see, but there's definitely a difference in the shine and the general look of the cowl. So if you have an old rubber cowl and it's starting to look a little gray, grab some of this stuff and it'll get you hooked up. You'll have a new looking cowl in no time.